Welcome to Radical Technologies AWS demo session. If you are interested for complete training, please contact us.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Ajay and I'm having around 18 years of experience, guys, in the industry. I work in cloud, all three of cloud, Google, AWS and Azure, and DevOps lead in the market. And Monday to Friday, I work, and Saturday, Sunday I teach. All right. So Saturday, Sunday I teach morning, evening till mornings till evening, right? And whatever I teach, I record and give it to my students. So whatever the practical, all the practical will do here, all the theory will do it here, all the assignments will do it here. I give the assignment at home also, but I do not believe that all the assignment can complete from the home. So we'll try our best to do all the assignments here. Right, I'll make you ready for the exam. Means I'll give you the question answers. I'll give you the interview questions. I'll help you to prepare the resume. Right, interview questions, practical, give the practical recordings and everything to you, so that at your free time you can go those videos, you can understand whatever is written here. The same environment that we are doing it in the class is recorded and give it to you, so you can go through and you can do practicals, theory and everything at the home. And also all the document that I have, that I'll give it to you related to this document, and making sure that you should get successful, complete the exam and the interview. We also provide the placement to the students like Anand, like you guys who are from the different background. We have the tie-up with the many companies, and you will get the opportunity to get a call from there and to face the interviews. Okay. So this is about me, guys. Please feel free if any questions you have.
No, sir.
I'm sharing my screen. Let me know if you are able to see my screen. Right. So what I'm going to teach you, I'm going to teach you all these things that is you can see in my screen. Okay. Don't get scared that so many documents, so many links, so many things are here. Don't get scared, because you're going to learn cloud, and cloud is very, very damn easy. Damn easy. Only the thing is that you should be regular. You should keep doing the things whatever I teach, and you should not accumulate the things whatever I'm going to teach. Remember that. Okay. If you're doing so, that you will able to do that. If you're not doing so, definitely it will be, things get complicated if you don't do it on regular basis. So simple question I can ask to Anand, just take an example of accumulation. Okay. And you will understand that what I'm saying, what I'm trying to say it here. And these kind of a small day-to-day example I normally take during my teaching also, so that people can understand. So Anand, simple question to you: which dish you like most? Which one you like most to eat?
As in, I didn't get it.
Okay, I'm asking that which dish you like to eat most.
Anything which I mean, like paneer, contained with paneer.
Okay, so let's say paneer pakode, right?
Yeah, you can say that.
So every day you have to eat 2 paneer pakoras, right? Let's say. Okay, if you don't eat, you have to eat next day. So if you couldn't eat it today, you can eat it tomorrow maybe, or you couldn't eat 2 days, then third day you will complete. But if you couldn't eat a 1 week or 1 month, then will you able to eat everything? This paneer pakoda is not going to waste. Okay, it's not going to spoil. It will be fresh as is. Will you eat it? All of them? Not possible, right?
Yeah.
Why it's not possible? You are the lover of the paneer, right?
Yeah, but there is a duration.
There's a duration. You're not able to eat, right?
Yes, yes.
Same thing is in AWS. It's like equivalent to your paneer. It's very damn easy, very simple. Just next. But if you couldn't do it on the regular basis, if you keep piling up the things, accumulating the things, what will happen? One fine day you will find that it's difficult to learn and difficult to eat, and that time you'll say that is difficult. Although it's not difficult, but difficult of eating a paneer that you have accumulated for 1 month is difficult. But eating a paneer pakoda is not difficult. You made it difficult because you didn't eat it last 1 month, sorry. Same thing is with the AWS, right? So AWS free. Do you know, guys? AWS is free for one year. You don't have to pay a single penny. आपको ₹1 पे करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just a second. Okay, I take another example. Okay, Sharvari, let's take an example on you. Let's you go to the shopping mall. In a shopping mall, the shopkeeper gives you a dress free, right? And say that you take it, right? And there is a bad rain outside, and you say that, you know, I can't wear it and go out because raining, it will spoil, right? You're listening, right, Sharvari?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you go do it. So, you know, shopkeeper gives you the opportunity. Shopkeeper that if you get spoiled, no need to correct it, no need to repair it, no need to clean it. Give it back to me. I'll give you the new. In next 1 year, you do not have to worry about this. Will you prefer to wear and go out now? Because as and when it got spoiled, you can give it back to the shopkeeper and take a new one. And shopkeeper is not going to ask single question.
Yes.
Then you will wear it. Same is AWS. Whatever you do, it's free. On top of it, if you spoil anything, AWS is not going to say anything. You spoil, damage it, do whatever you want, and after that, give it back to AWS, take a new one. Will you afraid to do the practice now?
No,
Will you
sir.
afraid to do some training? No, you will not do, because you know that if it is going wrong, no problem. I'll give it back to AWS and then take the new one, right? So same thing is here. So AWS, we do not call AWS website, we call console, and this is the AWS console. And you need to register here, guys. It's very much free next 1 year. And as I given the example, it's very simple. And I click on that. Registration on this console or website is like registration of any other site that you do. So you just need to put your debit card or credit card, guys, and that debit card or credit card is required, and they will charge you only ₹2 and give it back to you ₹2 within 48 hours. So your ₹2 back, and they do not charge for anything. Don't worry, guys. Right? So I click into that. And you can see that you know, this is the console, this is the page. So many things are here. Just click into that. Okay, just simple question. If I ask again, this time I'll ask the question to Akshada. Akshada, simple question to you.
Yes, sir.
Let's say you go to the market to buy a laptop. What all the things you will consider? Or desktop, whatever. Let's say you want to buy a computer. So the
Okay.
first thing is that you know, here there is no problem of the budget because AWS gives you free, so tension nahi hai, right? Only the thing is you will consider that how much which operating system you need, right? कौन
Yes,
सा
sir.
operating system चाहिए आपको, right? That's what is the thing.
Yes.
After that, once it is done, you will consider that how many CPU, right? i5 लेना है, i7, or how much storage that you need. All this you require, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? 500 disks you need, or you need a i5 or i7 processor, right? Memory 8 gig or 10 gig or 1 gig, whatever you require, right?
Yes.
Same thing is here. You know that, and in next 5 minutes you will understand that. Same thing. Let's say I provision a server here, right? I provision a server here. I click on services and I click on this EC2, right? I'm just showing you how easy it is, right? I just click on this, and after that, and then when it's done, I click on this instance, right? I click on that. Just I'm going to click. I'm not doing, no programming is here. You should not know any programming, not required, right? What is the prerequisite to learn AWS? No prerequisites. Whatever is required, I'll teach you. You just need to learn. It's very simple. I just click on this EC2 link after that instance, and I'm clicking on this big button. blue button. After that, as you mentioned, you need to decide which operating system you need to take. So here there are 40 operating systems are there, right? Windows, Linux, in Linux different flavors like Red Hat, SUSE, Ubuntu, right? Another Ubuntu, Windows 2019, right? You will get more Windows here. Windows 2019 base, right? SQL, and here if you go with the 2016 also you'll get, see, 2016, whatever you want to take, right? So I take this and I click on this select. Now I decided the operating system. Now I want how much CPU and memory I want to take. So one CPU, 1 gig of memory I take, right? Because this is the only option is free. If I take any other configuration, even less, I have to pay. Because for the practice purpose, this is enough. And I select this, next. I'm just doing next. How many Windows servers I want to take? 1. So I click on 1. I mentioned 1. Click next. How much storage I need? 30 gig. And 30 gig is free, no need to charge. Right? Tagging in nothing but the name, my window server. It's very easy, damn easy. Security, this is nothing but the security. Let's say आपके laptop पे who all can access. This kind of security is there. So I select anybody can access. You can limit this also. You can review whatever you have done. You can change or you want to change. Whenever you buy your laptop or desktop, right? So whenever you open it, you need something to log into the server, right? Your user ID password, let's say in this laptop that I'm using here, whenever I open, I put user ID password, right? Right, guys? Yes or no? We require, right?
Yes.
Same thing is required here, password. This is nothing but the password. Key, here key is the password. And I select a key, let's say demo key. You can give any name, and that key I downloaded here. Right? Anand, a simple question to you now before I click on launch. Anand, you take an apartment on rent.
Okay.
Right? And that apartment that you take, the land, the flat owner or apartment owner gives you the key to log into your apartment, right? To open the gates,
Right.
and all, right? So that,
Mhm.
will you prefer to give a set of key to the apartment owner? Just take a backup, enjoy it,
Yeah.
right?
Right.
Okay. Now tell me one thing. In your absence, he comes to your flat and steals something.
So I log inside things
No,
inside the
you
pod.
cannot be always, right? Let's say you are not at home and he can do anything, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or anytime when you are not comfortable, he can come to your home. Means your privacy is gone, right?
Mm-hmm. Right.
So will you prefer to give a set of key to him?
If he gonna do something like that, then no.
Nobody prefers to give a key to the landowner, right? To the apartment owner. It's your choice, but the industry standard says that nobody give. Otherwise, he can do anything in your apartment.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Same is here. This key that you have, right? It downloaded at here in your local laptop or desktop. It is not with AWS. It's not with AWS. Why? Because if AWS keep this key, AWS can also log into your server, right? And can anything can be done on the server, right? And you cannot blame him also, but you can sue him. You can file a case. How can you take a copy of my password at your end? Right? It's a breach of security.
Right.
So that's the reason AWS does not keep this key at his hand. Right? So if the server, if you lost this key, let's say you lost the key of the apartment and there is no key maker here, remember that. If you lost the key of the apartment, there is no option but the apartment is got locked. Even AWS cannot open. Same is with the server. If you lost this key, it means this server is waste. So remember that this key very much should be, keep it in a safe location. Remember that. I click on the launch instance and I click on this ID. And within 3 to 5 minutes, my server is going to be ready. right guys? Within 3 to 5 minutes, my server will be ready. That much easy the AWS is, right?
Right.
Linux take 30 seconds to 40 seconds to get ready. Windows is heavy than Linux, so it takes 4 to 6 minutes to get ready. So I have just done next, and my server is ready. See, right, guys? You can see that. That simple AWS is. That simple AWS is, and that's what I wanted to communicate. Right? That's what I wanted to show. Don't go into the technicalities, whatever written there and now. Just go with whatever I've shown you. Right? So it is just next done. Nothing else. Right? That is easy. So this is one of the component that we have just shown you the demo. See, it is started running, and I can click on connect, get password. See, it is saying that we have to wait 4 minutes, so we have to wait, right? So like this is one of the component that just I am showing you the 1% of this component, right? Just a very small glimpse of this component. It's a big one. Like this, we will learn around 20 to 25 different components. Do you know that? That is required for the market, that is required for the interview. And here you can see these are the PPTs related to that. Okay, that I'll go through all of them, and every PPT, at the end of the every PPT there is an assignment that we will do. Right, after every PPT you can see that we have assignment. See, these assignments are important to complete. Then only we can say that we are good and we have done this, because these are the practicals that you will do, and then only you can get the confidence for the exam and interview, right? And whatever the practical that we do, we record. So even today, you can see that those are my running batches, and if I go here, these batches, all these, you can see that those are the practicals, those are the theories, everything is recorded here. See, all of them are the recordings. FLV is the recording files, PDF is the documents that to learn. Not only this, in last 1 year, whatever I taught, I keep the data of my student for last 1 year. So everything is here. You can see that how many batches that I have completed. Right? So approx around, do you know that approx around 800 to 900 students I already taught. So many students I have taught already. So I click on try and it's ready. I select the key that I have downloaded. I choose the key. Download, and what was the name? Demo key. I select the demo key. Right, this one, demo key PAM. Okay, decrypt, download this, copy this, and open this. Same process is for the Linux, guys. I put the password here. Yes. Now see, the server is in front of you within 5 minutes with a few clicks, right? Guys, nobody gives the desktop, laptop, or mobile to you to work. Here you are getting the server free of cost. Do all kind of practice, use it, corrupt it, take the new one. No need to repair it. That's what I said earlier. Right? Right? So that type of,
Yes, sir.
as I given the example, like eating a paneer or sweet, that easy it is. Only next. Only the thing is that if you keep piling or you keep accumulating, that time it will be very, very difficult, guys. Right? See, the server is in front of you. Do whatever you want. Right? And AWS is not going to charge you anything. Next 1 year. No problem. After 1 year, what? No problem. Close this account. Create the another email ID. Create the another account. You're good. Okay. Any question, anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
And guys, if you by any reason, if you are not able to come to my batch, or if you think that any class you missed, whatever the reason, right? Anyway, everything will be recorded, right? And you will get it recording through the Google Drive, right? I will share it and it will be with you. You can download and keep it with you. That's fine. Ever, it's not like that. After 1 year, it will be deleted. It will be always with you. You can keep it, right? And by any chance you couldn't join the batch, or any reason that the health is not good, or any other reason you couldn't join it, next 1 year join my any other batch free of cost. I will not charge.
Okay.
Right? So all kind of facilities are available. Sorry. Like as I said, that make you market ready means आपका resume preparation, interview preparations, right? About interview questions, everything I'll give you. About exam, I'll give the question dumps. I give you the books. I will do the practical. We'll give you the all the theory instructions, documents, and everything will be recorded and give it to you, right? So make you, if you're not using the cluster, not using the server, delete it, terminate it. It will go back to AWS, right? Whatever is required, we will do it here. Only one thing you need to do. Only one thing: study as much as you can. Right? That's the only thing you have to do. Right? Because we are going to do so many things, right? If I open the PPT, right? So many components that we have to learn. So if I go here, right? It is written here, all the components we are going to learn. This is about me, guys. This is me. It's old now. And here all the components that you are going to learn related to market. Have you heard any component of AWS ever? Then only I can talk, right? Otherwise these will be aliens to you to start with.
S3 database.
S3 database is here. Yeah, here. S3 is not a database, by the way. S3 is a storage. It's not a database.
Sorry.
RDS is a database.
IAM.
IAM is the policy for the security, identity, and access management. It is here. RDS database is also here. Any other thing?
EC2.
That I have shown you just, right? EC2 is here. EC2 is nothing to create the server.
Balancer.
Everything is here, guys. Don't worry. आप जितने नाम बोलोगे ना, everything is there. Right? All the things that I'm going to teach you, that You will be tired. I'll never be tired. Believe me. This is the load balancer. See, ELB, elastic load balancer. ELB is nothing but the elastic load balancer. Okay. Any further question, guys? Batch timing or anything?
Yeah,
Which
batch timing and the syllabus is this much. Like, what is syllabus?
Sorry?
Syllabus यही रहने वाला है क्या?
Syllabus में बहुत कुछ है सर. इसमें जो components लिखे हुए हैं, I will start with the AWS, around 2-hour session on the cloud and AWS, not on the technical component, because from here also 2 questions comes in the exam. In the EC2, EBS, backup restore, hability failover, right? S3, RNS, CloudWatch, right? And load balancer, auto scaling, IAM, RDS, CloudFront, Glacier, import export, DynamoDB, DevOps tools like AWS DevOps. Okay, that Elastic Beanstalk, CloudFormation, simple email service or simple notification services, right? The best practices that is required for the interview. Whenever you go for the interview, they ask many AWS questions. Then their favorite question is, what all the things you will do to improve the performance? There's no component like this in AWS. Or what all the things you will do to reduce the costing, right? There is no component like this, right? So, or how will you do the backup and failover? That is the part of your course, guys. That comes based on my learning. I have created this document, right? Because I work in the industry, so real-time case study, I know that, and I know what students are required. That's the reason I keep adding the things. This course is very well aligned with the new pattern of the exam. VPC, the whole network, how to create big data, how to manage the big data. Many other components are here in the upcoming slides and all, guys. Right? So many slides are there, not 1 or 2. And whole course are written here. Right, Anand?
So what will the batch timing? I mean, morning or evening or day?
So 10 to 12 is fine.
Yeah, fine by me.
What about the other girls?
सर एक्चुअली ऑनलाइन बैच के लिए थोड़ा सोचना पड़ेगा.
हाँ सर.
मैडम अभी आप आ सकते हो क्या इंस्टीट्यूट पे?
अभी तो नहीं, लेकिन अगर मंडे को वगैरह बुला सकते हैं तो आ सकते हैं. थोड़े डाउट्स भी है, अगर फेस टू फेस कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हैं तो थोड़ा कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो जाते हैं ना. इसलिए
स्टार्ट विद 1 or 2 weeks तक देखते हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट द थिंग्स, राइट? एंड वंस योर इंस्टीट्यूट्स एंड सब कुछ ऑपरेशनल हो गया, इश्यू नहीं आए, राइट? मार्केट में कोविड का प्रॉब्लम नहीं बढ़ा ज्यादा, तो फिर इंस्टीट्यूट में मिलते हैं ना, कोई टेंशन नहीं है. एंड इफ रिक्वायर वी विल रिपीट द सेशंस अगेन.
ओके
ओके, क्योंकि अभी पता चला वहां पे आए और तबीयत खराब हो गई, राइट? कोविड का प्रॉब्लम अगर हो गया, गड़बड़ हो गया कुछ, तो टेंशन होता है ना.
या
So, लेकिन टाइम मत खराब करो. My request is not to spoil the timing, because industry how it is going, everybody knows, right?
Yeah. Actually, we both don't have experience of IT industry. So shall we get opportunity after the certification easily?
Sorry.
Hello.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, we don't have any experience, IT industry experience. So shall we get opportunity easily after the certification?
Yes, ma'am. That's the reason, right? Many of the people from the outside, different area, they comes to the AWS. Only one thing that I have asked you to give the promise that you will do the study. If you do it, then not a problem. If you don't do it, then there's a problem.
Okay.
Okay. Anand, any question? Sarvari?
No.
No, sir.
Thank you.
No, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Have a good day. Hope it was a good session.
Yeah, it was. Thank
Please
you.
feel free, if any question, you can revert back to Kiran. You just share your email ID and all, and revert back, and I'll reply to that on questions if anything in between. Okay. Have a good one, guys.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir.